Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to place a sell position using your XT exchange app using future derivatives trade signals, right? But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever I post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your XT exchange app, and if you're watching this video you don't have an account with XT exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now you're just going to click on futures right here because you're going to be placing future derivatives trades. So you click on futures right here. So if you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how it will look like. So this is how it will look like. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here, as you can see, this is our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped, crypto pair WLD USDT right here. So right now let's go to our XT exchange app to search for our crypto pair, and you can see direction here short, which means sell. Leverage right here, you can see 1 to 3x leverage, which is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. So right now let's go to our XT exchange app to search for our crypto pair and also set our leverage. So right here on our XT exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So right now let's search for WLD USDT. So as you can see, this is WLD USDT. I'm just going to click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to pop up like this. So right now let's set our leverage. If you want to set your leverage, right here where it's showing cross, you click on it. You change it to isolated because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. After that, you click on confirm right here. You click on confirm. You click on confirm. So after confirming it, you can see right here where it's showing 20x. So you click on it. You bring it down to 3x because 3x is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders. So after bringing it down to 3x, then you can now click on confirm right here. You click on confirm. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to search for our entry. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our entry price here. You can see the entry price here, which is 2.394. So right now let's go back to our XT exchange app to set our entry price. Alright, so on our XT exchange app, for you to be able to place a limit order, so you just change this price because it's on market order right now. So you click on it and change it to limit order right here. So you click on limit order. So right now we are just going to type in our entry price. So our entry price is 2.394. So right here is also where you select the amount of WLD token you want to get. You want to get 50% of it, or do you want to just get 5 tokens of WLD USDT token? So you just type in there the amount you want. Then right now here is where you set your take profit. Always remember to set your take profit because that is your defensive zone as a trader. So right now let's go back to our Telegram channel and set our take profit and stop loss. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our stop loss right here, which is 2.494. So right now let's go back and set our stop loss on our XT exchange app. So right here on our XT exchange app, we can now type in our stop loss right here. You can see 2 points. This is where you type in your stop loss. So I will just type in my stop loss 2.494. Then my take profit right here. You can see my take profit right here. So let's go back to our Telegram channel and set our take profit zone. So on our Telegram channel right here, you can see our take profit zone right here, which is 2.247. So right now let's go to our XT exchange app and set our take profit. So right here on our XT Exchange app, we are going to just type in our take profit right here, which is 2.247. So right now, after we've set everything and you've confirmed that yes, everything is okay with you, then you can now go ahead and click on this short position right here. Once you click on it, there is no available balance, that's why it's showing insufficient margin. So once you click on it, your open orders will be waiting right here until price reach this order you placed on this trade. Then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So this is the simplest way of using future derivatives trade signals on your XT Exchange app. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're still watching this video and you don't have an account with XT Exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. And also there will be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals. Do well to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified when we post an important videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.